Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and a pump station and nursery in Santa Monica. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to do a baseless installation with the Graco Snugride Snuglock 35. So first thing, make sure the child is buckled into the car seat. You're going to set the car seat down in the back seat of the vehicle that you're using. Go ahead and grab the seat belt. You're going to go over the car seat and we're going to buckle in. Once you're buckled in, you want to make sure the lap belt goes through this belt path. There's one on each side of the car seat. So we're going to slide that in. There you go. Next, we're going to lock the seat belt. Now, there's a couple different ways the seat belt can lock, but the majority of the vehicles, they can lock when you pull the shoulder belt all the way out and switch the retractor to locking mode. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to grab your shoulder, pull it all the way out slowly as far as it can go. Now when you let it retract, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. That sound is letting you know that the seatbelt's in locking mode. What you don't want to do is you don't want to just yank the seatbelt, because that's just going to lock the seatbelt temporarily. As soon as the slack is released, it's going to become loose again. When you switch the seatbelt to locking mode correctly, the only way the seatbelt will loosen up again is if you unbuckle it and let the seatbelt retract all the way back into the vehicle. Now that we have the seatbelt in locking mode, we can begin to tighten it. So I'm going to pull the shoulder belt away from the buckle. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to push down on the actual car seat. I'm going to slowly rock it from side to side, compressing it into the vehicle seat to get it nice and snug. All of the slack you've been pulling, you want to make sure you feed it back into the car so it continues to lock. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, you're going to grab it from either side of the car seat. Try and grab it near the belt path. If the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know you're tight enough. Never check the car seat from the back. Nothing is attached here, so it's going to be able to wobble and shake. That's okay. The car seats absorb crash force if an accident happens, and instead of the force being released on the child, it's redistributed and it's released on the back here. The next thing we have to do is make sure that the baby is sitting at the right angle. There is a red line on both sides of the car seat. You want to make sure that that line is level with the ground. So if it's not, you're going to grab the car seat from the top and from the front, and you're just going to kind of reposition it until you get the line as level as possible. Once the car seat is snug and the line is level with the ground, the installation is complete. As soon as you get to your location and you're leaving the vehicle, you're going to unbuckle the seatbelt. And when the seatbelt retracts all the way back in, it's going to reset back to normal. So now it's not locking anymore. And you can remove the car seat with baby and be on your way. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.